how to see like posts on Instagram. So here we are on Instagram, and it's very simple. You just need to tap on your profile icon here on the bottom right. And from here, tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right, which is right here. Next is that you want to tap on your activity. Tap on it. And then from here, you would want to tap on likes. Tap on that. And then here, you would now be able to see all of the posts and the content that you have liked here on your Instagram account so far. For example, I'm going to tap on this one. And then as you can see that I have liked this content. And you can also use the filters in here. So if you already have a lot of posts right here that you have liked and you don't know how to find a specific post that you have liked, then you can simply just use the filters here. You can go from newest to oldest and then all dates, or you could go for specific dates and types of content. You can go for posts, reels, threads, and many more filters right here. You just need to scroll. And that's how you do it.